All right, so now that it took me about literally 45 minutes to set everything up and figure out my lighting, we're good. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are in the new studio. I haven't filmed in here in a little while, but just FYI, my background is not ready yet. I just have a plant in here and my makeup to the left. If you follow me on the vlog channel, then you kind of already seen everything, or on Instagram stories. So here we are. I have a ton of new goodies to share with you guys from SHEIN. I'm really excited for this because this is my first SHEIN haul. They are honestly an amazing website where you can get so many items for such a good price. Fun fact, actually, I have loved SHEIN for years. I actually purchased my first thing from them my first year of doing YouTube. Yeah, my first or second year of doing YouTube. So literally like 5 years ago, almost maybe 6 years ago by now. And I was like this button up, white and black striped blouse, and I just loved it. And it was so affordable. They're such a great website to go and just update your wardrobe, get some new items, some cute trendy clothes, but you don't have to break the bank. So thanks so much to them for sponsoring today's video, but I'm excited to share what I got. The first top that I got here is this one. It is a little crop top and it kind of has like that lettuce edge. It is so cute, you guys. Like, I think this is the cutest top ever, and it has like buttons. I don't know if you can really catch them on camera, but it is the cutest top ever, and I believe I also got it in gray. I did pick this one up in a large, and I will say it's kind of big on me. Like, I have a lot of like room over here and a lot of room on the stomach and lots of room on the arms, so I probably should have got a medium. I don't know why I didn't. I think the medium was sold out or something like that, but yeah, just for size reference, the large is a nice comfy fit though, but it's definitely not like fitted or anything, but I like it a lot. I love this top. I think it is so cute. And also, most importantly, I love the price. Okay, next I got this color block crew neck because I have seen these all over the gram, and like a basic, you know, that I had to get on that wave. No, but seriously, I love me a cropped sweater, and I love how this one has like the half zip, and I love the color block because it's like really cute and different but still super neutral with the white, gray, and black. So I do really like this piece, and this one I can't remember the size that I got. Extra large. I did get an extra large in this one because I wanted it to be like oversized, super comfy fit. I did not want this to be fitted. The great thing about SHEIN, to be honest with you, is they're constantly updating their website. Like, literally, there's always new arrivals, there's always new pieces. No matter what your style is, you're gonna be able to find something there, which I love. Like, especially if you have a big group of friends, I guarantee that every single one of you will be able to find multiple items that you like, just because, like I said, the styles are very versatile. Like, everyone's going to like it. No matter if your style is simple or trendy or, you know, more edgy, like whatever it is, you're going to find pieces you like because the variety on there is insane and the prices, you just can't beat it. So this was the different item that I told you guys that I got, which I'm actually really excited for. I saw Naz on Instagram, which I love Naz so much. I saw her on Instagram, not wear this exact one, but she wore like this really pretty, I think it was a plaid dress. Yeah, I think it was a really pretty plaid dress, and I think it was actually from SHEIN as well. So then I was like, well, why don't I get like a really cute plaid dress and see if I can be as cute as Naz? No, but seriously, I figured this was also really pretty for like a holiday party or something like that. So it's really different for me. I normally never wear patterns, but I figured it would be really cute. And in the spirit of the holidays, I decided to not be the Grinch and just try something a little festive out. Because I really am a festive type of girl. Not. No, but I honestly think this is so cute. I love the long sleeve, and I love how fitted it is to the body. I got this one in a medium, and I really like the size because sometimes mediums, like, you ever buy a medium and it dead ass looks like a small? Like, I hate that, but this medium really does look like a medium and fits like a medium, and it still has a very comfortable fit. So the next thing that I got are 3 track pants, and I'm a little bit disappointed in myself because I picked up the large in these because I was like, I don't want to get the medium and then they're like tight on my butt, because that always happens. So I got the large, but I do feel like they're a little too big. I do wish I got the medium, but regardless, I'm excited to share them with you guys because I love these. Not only are they so soft, you guys, not only are they so soft, I love the seamless style of these. I'm gonna take them off the hanger to show you, but I love how seamless these are. And what I mean by seamless is like they don't have any ties or anything like that, and it just has a very simple waistband. I love that because it's very Yeezy style to me. Like, I love the Yeezy track pants. I wish I could buy them. They're just way too expensive, honestly. It doesn't make sense, but I love the Yeezy track pants because they're just very simple. They just have the simple band, the simple bottoms, and that's it. No tie or anything like that. So I love how clean and simple these are, really easy to style. Honestly, I'll still rock them even though they're a large because I'll just have that like oversized loose fit. But I do wish I got a medium. So keep that in mind if you're purchasing these, buy your true size. By the way, they are thick. So these are not like super thin track pants. These are thick, warm track pants. So if you're like me and it is super cold and you live in like Canada or New York or wherever else it's cold, I'm not good at geography. I literally almost failed geography and that's probably why. Anyways, if you live in an area that's really cold, these are great. They're literally so thick, but still comfortable. Like not like uncomfortably thick. And they're very soft, like super smooth. Like I would just say a very smooth material. So the next pair of track pants that I got, I'm really excited for because these are like that windbreaker material. But I think these are so cute. Like literally, I love these because you can still be comfy and wear track pants, but look like you tried a little bit harder. Like look like you tried a little bit more. They're so cute, you guys. And these ones I actually did get in I got in a large as well, but I feel like these ones look more like a medium. Like these ones fit really nice. Okay, next I got a really cute crop top. This one is a black long sleeve, but I love this little like shoulder detail that it has here. I just thought that was really cute. And again, this one is very, very soft. Like the material is really soft. It's also ribbed. And I just thought it was cute. I love having just like a lot of basics because they're very easy to style. Next dress, I absolutely love this so much. You know I am a sucker for a really simple dress, but I love how this one has like that lettuce edge along the top and along the bottom. And it pretty much is a black mini dress. And the sleeves also have the lettuce edge as well. This I'm so excited for, you guys, because I literally wear these like every single day. I love fuzzy sweaters. I'm obsessed with them. This one is so incredibly soft. I've literally, like this is so soft. I don't know if you guys can just tell, but it's like that teddy bear material. It's so incredibly soft. I have another one of these in my closet, like a blush colored one, and I've literally been wearing, I literally wore it 2 times in a row this weekend. It's so soft. It keeps you so warm without having to even wear a jacket. Definitely check out SHEIN because they have a lot of really nice ones. This one is in the size medium, which is a really nice size. Next, I got another crop sweater and I am obsessed with this one. It is the most gorgeous nude color. And I love how it has the black zipper just to add some contrast. It's just so cute and I love how soft this one is. And it does have the little zipper detail on the side, which I thought was a really cute kind of touch. So next I got this really nice gray sweater. I feel like every winter I definitely always crave like new knit sweaters because they're so comfortable and so cozy, and you can definitely style them up. Like you could wear this to dinner and pull it off. Wear this to dinner with some leather leggings or some dark jeans, some heels or boots, and you're good to go, but you're still really warm. Like you don't have to feel like you have to wear bodysuits and stuff all the time. I love how warm this is, but like I said, it still is really stylish and cute, and I love the color. I love this like light pale gray. So the next item that I got, I absolutely love this. I thought this was so cute. When I saw this on the website, I was like, I need that. So this is a long sleeve, not as cropped, but it is kind of a crop top with the lettuce edge. And I thought it was so pretty that it had the dragon kind of logo in the center. I thought that was really cute and just a nice little edgy touch. So I love that. I also picked it up in the white with the black logo because I feel like that's just so cute. So I love these two. So this is the gray that I showed you guys in the top that I'm wearing right now. So this is how it looks on a hanger, so you can get kind of a better visual. But I love this gray, like this really pretty mid-tone type of gray. It's so cute and I just love this top. So I wanted another fuzzy sweater because like I said, they're so practical. Like I tend to wear these a lot, especially on the weekends or when I'm running errands, and I love this one. I like this color a lot. It's kind of like a warm blush. It's not your standard mauve blush. It has definitely more warmth to it. It's such a pretty color and I love how soft this is. It's so soft. And I love that this one's a hoodie and it's not cropped. So it's just different. If you don't feel like wearing a crop, then you don't have to. You can just grab this one. So I absolutely love that it's, again, not cropped. This one I got in a size small because it already was pretty oversized. And yeah, I'm just obsessed. I love this one. Perfect to just like for a really casual, comfy outfit paired with some leggings and you're good to go. So last 2 pieces that I got you guys were the cutest tank tops. I could not pass up on these. You know I'm a sucker for like basics, and these are the cutest basic tank tops, but I loved the detail of having the buttons in the center. Like I thought that was so cute, so I had to pick it up in both gray and black, and I'm really happy that I did because I think these are just so adorable. You can throw these on with some track pants, some jeans most likely, which I just think they're so cute. I'm obsessed with them. Another thing that I really like about SHEIN is they really give details on each item. So they'll put how many inches the waist is, for example, on that item. So I love that. So all you have to do is measure your waist. If you're a 28 waist, then you go to see what the size medium is in inches on the waist. And if the medium is a 28 inch or a 29 inch, then you're like, okay, perfect, I know I'm a medium. So I love how they give details on the size and like the actual measurement of each size, if that makes sense. Just check out the website and you'll see what I mean. It makes it very easy to choose your size, I will say. All right, you guys, so that is pretty much it for my SHEIN haul. I really hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, this was my first one, but I have known them for years. So they're honestly such a great place to just go and update your wardrobe, but you don't have to break the bank. You can, you know, save them coins. And it's just worth it because I'm a huge believer in like trends go in and out of style. So you never want to spend too much on one item. So yeah, again, I will leave my coupon code in the description box down below for you guys and all of the links and all of the sizes. Thank you so much to SHEIN for partnering with me on this video. And of course, thank you guys for watching. I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.